Millions of people around the world dream of making money, but there are some individuals who don't just earn money, they actually transform the future of the entire world. Today, we are going to talk about just such a person, Elon Musk, a man who turned electric cars into the future, who made the reusability of rockets a reality, and who now dreams of sending humans to Mars. But the question remains, why exactly Elon Musk mindset so different from anyone else? What is that makes him the world's wealthiest and most influential individual? In today's videos, we will uncover the true habits and mindset of Elon Musk that set him completely apart from ordinary people. A unique mindset since childhood. From his very childhood, Elon Musk was unlike other children. While other kids were busy playing, Elon would sit alone for hours on end, lost in thoughts. He had a deep passion for reading books, learning new things, and understanding how machines worked. At the tender age of just 12, he created a video game called Blaster and even earned money by selling it. Just imagine, at an age when most children are playing video games, Elon was busy creating them. This is precisely the difference between a consumer mindset and a creator mindset. Ordinary people merely consume things, but extraordinary people create them. Books transform his life. Elon Musk used to read book for 10 to 12 hours every single day. He had immense fondness for books related to science, physics, space, and technology. He once famously said, "Books taught me how to think." In other words, book taught him how to view the world through a different lens. In today's world, most people spend hours scrolling through social media, but Elon Musk invested his time in acquiring knowledge, and was this very knowledge that later became the foundation for major enterprises like Tesla, SpaceX, and AI. Remember, the person whose mind improves every day finds that their life too gradually begins to improve. The courage to take massive risk 2008. It was the toughest year of Elon Musk's life. Both of his companies, Tesla and SpaceX, were on the verge of bankruptcy. He had only two options: either give up or put up everything on the line. Elon Musk chose the second path. He poured every last penny of his personal fortune into the companies. Many people mocked him, calling him crazy. But today, those very companies are changing the world. This is precisely why successful people do not run away from risk, but rather view it as an opportunity. An obsessive work ethics. Elon Musk has often worked anywhere from 80 to 100 hours a week. When his company were in trouble, he would even sleep right inside the factory. Just think about it. Even a man of such immense wealth remains so dedicated to his work. He once said, "Work like hell." In other words, if your dream is big, then your hard work must be extraordinary. In today's world, people crave instant success, but without hard work, massive success is nearly impossible. First principle thinking. Elon Musk's most potential weapons. Elon Musk does not solve a problem by simply copying what others have done. Instead, he breaks everything down to its fundamental level. That is to say, what is the actual problem? He then builds a fresh solution from the ground up. For example, when people claim that rockets were prohibitively expensive, Elon asked himself, what are rockets actually made of? He discovered that the raw materials themselves were not that expensive. It was the entire system that was costly, and that is how SpaceX born. It is the very mindset that sparks great innovations, no fear of failures. Many of Elon Musk's rocket launches failed on several occasions. This resulted in losses amounting to tens of millions of dollars. Yet he never gave up. His famous quote goes, failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not inventing enough. In other words, if you are not encountering failure in your life, you are likely playing too small a game. Successful people do not fear failure. Elon Musk's primary focus is not merely on money. His mission is to steer the world towards sustainable energy. By now, you must realize Elon Musk is not just a billionaire. He is an individual who operates on an entirely different level of thinking. His true strength lies not in his wealth, but in his mindset. Thinking big, continuous learning, taking risk, fearless in the face of failure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it like, subscribe to channel, and be sure to let us know in the comments which of the Elon Musk habits inspire you. Thank you so much.